everybody. Welcome to my art room. It's Carole. I'm going to do another dip and try and do the swirl flower that Fiona does. Haven't had any success yet, but I'm gonna keep trying. So I've got some white paint mixed with my pouring medium, floetrol. 1 part paint to half floetrol. Oh, I just broke my palette knife. Oh, great. Oh well. Oh, I'll have to get a new one. I have another one somewhere. Anyway, all right, I don't need it right now. So, and I'm using an old canvas. So I'm gonna use purples and yellows and gold again. This is a small canvas, just a 5x7. That's a Prism Violet A6, and this is a it's a light blue violet by A6. I'm gonna put some yellow in between. I was wondering if I should do some green. Don't think I have any green. I think I took my green up to the cottage. So there will be no green. I'm gonna put a little bit of white paint on here. All right. I'm gonna dip this very carefully. I'm not gonna slide it. I hope. Try not to move that. Just want to make sure that everything's covered. Everything's pushed down. Hopefully there's no air bubbles. That's the problem. I don't want to move it. And if there is a part missing with paint, like an air bubble or a pocket under there, I'm going to have to dip it again, that's all. I'll just pat. I hope it turns out. It's going to lift straight up. Cross your fingers. Oh, look at that. See, there's a spot missing right there. Oh, heck. But it doesn't look like Fiona's. Luckily, it's only on the white. But it's very unique. Came out, I'm not sure what it came out like. I like it. I do like it. I really like it. Oh, sorry. Sorry about that. I hit my head. I have this so close to me. I don't have to re-dip. Looks pretty cool. All right. Thanks for dropping by. I'm going to leave this one because I really like it. It's not the swirl rose looking, but it looks like a petunia, a daisy, or a mum, or not sure. All right. Please subscribe to my channel and come back soon to my art room. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Here's the dried results. Oh, it's very cute. Looks almost like violet or an orchid. Dried pretty good. There you go. There's the dry results. Thanks for coming by. Have a great day. Bye-bye.